now tracking the timing of all of this, which, you know, I've really been paying attention to, Damon, because you don't want to be on the roads when the snow is coming down.
No, you don't want to be on the roads at all once that snow starts, and then even a little bit after. I mean, the crew is going to need the time to clean things up. So it's going to be a long, impactful storm, unfortunately, and that's what we're here for, though, folks. We're going to keep you all ready to go, and hopefully by this point, a lot of those preparations are now done. But we still do have a small little window. Here's the expanse of that storm system. All of this pink here, those are the winter storm warnings that stretch now from New Mexico all the way up into parts of Vermont and Massachusetts, and eventually those will be expanded up into Maine as well. The storm itself is down across the desert Southwest, moving into parts of Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas at this point, where they're already experiencing some freezing rain, snow, and sleet. And basically you can follow this line of winter storm warnings to follow the track of where this storm will go, eventually leading it to us here in the DMV. Now for today, we've had a cloudy sky, but yeah, it has been another relatively pleasant day out there. Temperatures managed to feel pretty comfortable for this time of year, especially knowing what's coming down the line. 47 in D.C., 51 down toward Culpeper and Fredericksburg, but we can see some of that cold air, that next Arctic blast. It's starting to show up across our western counties. Cumberland and Kaiser are down to 34 degrees already, and wind gusts have been up around 30 miles per hour out of the west-northwest, and this is the wind that is going to funnel in that bitter cold air with a quickness as we head into the night tonight. So just within the next 2 hours, we're talking about temperatures tumbling quickly into the 20s and 30s, and that means the wind chill is already going to be dropping through the teens and 20s. This is at 6 p.m. Watch what happens, though, in just 4 hours' time. By 10 p.m. tonight, the entire region will be experiencing wind chills down around, if not slightly below zero. And then tomorrow morning, folks, this is the kind of cold you don't want to mess with. Dress in layers, get out those hats, those gloves, and try to limit the amount of exposed skin you may have out there if you're out in this cold. Wind chills will be below zero, if not as low as 15 below zero across some of our western counties early tomorrow morning. And it does not get much better as we head throughout the day, as it stays bitter cold in the lead up to this storm system. Now, we have those cold conditions, yes, but precipitation, not a problem. We do not see any precipitation until tomorrow evening. We're talking around 6, 7 p.m. That light snow will begin to spread from southwest to northeast. Up across northeastern Maryland, it may not be until 9-10 p.m. that the snow starts, but once it does begin, it's only going to take 2-3 hours tops before it turns very heavy, and then we are dealing with a heavy thump of snow for about 8 to 10 hours straight into Sunday morning, and at 1 to 2 inches per hour, that is going to add up fast. Now, this has been the trend throughout the last few days. We are still expecting that ice, that sleet, to really mix in by the mid-morning now on Sunday across parts of Virginia, southern Maryland, into the district, but then it's going to just hover there off to the north and west. We continue to see mostly snowfall, and now it's a big question of just how far north this mixing line goes. Our Futurecast tries to shove it all the way up to the Pennsylvania-Maryland line, but I think I-70 will be the cutoff, with those to the south seeing a little bit more in the way of ice, while others to the north mostly see snow before this storm is done by Monday morning. So here's an updated look at that snowfall map. D.C., we're still hovering just short of a foot of snow, and most of that will be before that sleet mixes in. North and west, we're easily into the double digits here in the purple, and then down across southern Maryland, 6 to 9 with the snowfall. But here's the ice now, and we were just mentioning it. We could see up to 1/4 of an inch of ice that could cause significant problems, power outages, tree damage down toward Fredericksburg and across parts of southern Maryland. D.C., around 1/10 of an inch is possible, and while that is less, we could still see some issues. And oh, by the way, too, on top of all of this, it is going to be absolutely frigid heading into Monday, and especially Monday night. So any snow, any sleet, any ice we pick up, it's going to stick around, and it's going to take some time to dig out and clean up from this storm system.